What's up, guys? Doing another behind the scenes video today. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm editing this video and I'm realizing this, I mean, this is clearly from not now. It's beautiful how my hair is way shorter, and I kind of feel like I need to give some context as to why this vlog is mainly taking place from months ago, from some in September and then a lot of it from back in December. So I'm gonna give some context to you guys, but let's take you out to the balcony. First off, you may notice the background's different. That's because I'm at a new spot. Me and Kylie actually, well, we bought a condo. Our first ever condo.
Look I can touch the ceiling. No, I can't.
That whole process ate up a bunch of time, so that's a part of it. It was kind of a nightmare. Also, a quick apology for not posting any vlogs the last couple of weeks. This whole moving process was a big reason why. There was a lot of fires I needed to put out that were completely unexpected. At the condo by 8 doing work that was an unexpected emergency nonsense. So yesterday's a 14.5-hour day. Today's similar, so we just gotta go get booze. That's all there is to it, so let's go. Time that I expected to be able to edit this vlog and be able to get this out to you guys, and that just unfortunately didn't happen, so my apologies for that, but you'll hear all about that soon. I do have a moving vlog coming out, so you'll get to see everything, the whole condo, all that stuff, very, very soon. Another reason this took a while to get out, there were some issues with just getting all the actors together. It's really tough, we're all busy, so getting all our schedules to line up. But I go over that in the vlog on some of those issues, so that'll all make sense as you watch the vlog. So the last thing I wanted to do before we got into the actual shooting of the short film, I thought if we're doing a cool behind the scenes video, it might be fun to give some behind the scenes on the actual script. So how did I come up with the idea for the script? Well, I really just made a rule for myself that I was gonna make one short film in 2022, and really all I knew at that point was that I wanted to make a roommate, buddy, stoner flick. I hadn't really made one of those. So what I did was I took a really funny moment, or a moment I thought was funny, from hanging out with AJ. I was trying to pass him a joint. I was coughing so heavily that he couldn't grab the joint out of my hand, and he did this like cobra snatch of my wrist to steady my hand, and then pulled the joint out of it, and for whatever reason, I just thought that was hilarious. And then I had this game I thought would be fun to play between the roommates, of this one roommate who's kind of the angel on one shoulder, and the other roommate is kind of the devil on the other shoulder. And then I just really wanted to play around that idea as kind of a game of these two roommates trying to convince a third roommate to do some particular activity. I knew I wanted Sean to have a character, and I took huge inspiration from one of my favorite movies growing up, the Matt Stone and Trey Parker movie, Basketball, and the little bitch character.
I don't even know why I hang out with you guys.
Because you're a piece of shit.
I am not a piece of shit.
And I created this kind of little bitch character that I thought would be fun to interject in and out and interweave into the script, which, real quick, I have to give a huge shout out to Sean for playing. This is what an ask to ask Sean, hey, do you mind just being ridiculed and be just treated like a piece of trash for an entire little short? And he did it. He killed it. He was awesome. So big shout out to Sean. Give him some love in the comments for playing that role. And then from there, I just kind of layered in. I had been doing this weird inside joke for myself. I started spreading this rumor that my wife eats frozen French fries, like the frozen French fries you get to the grocery store, that she just eats those frozen and calls them potato popsicles. Just some dumb bit I was doing just to entertain myself and annoy my wife. And so I thought that would be a perfect catalyst for why we were kind of just shitting on Sean. As for the ender of this, if you've watched any of the, like, I don't know, 15 or so short films I've made in the last 15 years, they always have a really weird ending. For this, I used a little bit of inspiration from one of my favorite Whitest Kids You Know sketches called Accidental Puke. Yeah, it's super weird. It's just, that's kind of how my writing style is. And of course, like every scripted project that I've ever worked on, it changed during the whole like filmmaking process. The actors all came in, did their thing, it morphed the project and morphed the script and the story into something a little bit different. You'll see in the vlog, the end of the script got completely changed with a whole new concept that I love the way it turned out. And then even in the editing process, there were some changes that were made that were completely different than what was scripted or what I anticipated or what I shot. So anyways, that's how this script was born. I hope you watched it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't checked it out, head over to the Mahoney Boys Comedy YouTube channel. You can check out this short film plus the other two that me and Sean have worked on, Pokemon Dad and Suicide Pact. I think they're great. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the behind the scenes vlog for the making of and shooting of The Cough. Enjoy. What's up, guys? Doing another behind the scenes video today. For those of you who've been following the channel for a while, you've seen one of these before from the last time I did a little short film called Suicide Pact. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. It's on my sketch comedy channel, The Mahoney Boys. Today we're filming a sketch that I wrote called, I think I'm tentatively calling it The Cough. I haven't fully settled in on a name yet. Should be fun though. We got a lot of usual suspects. AJ's gonna be in it. I'm gonna be in it. Sean's gonna be in it. And now my brother's gonna be in this one. He's a fantastic actor, just moved to Chicago, so I'm super excited to utilize him. So I'm on my way to the grocery store to go pick up some things that I need for the shoot. And then I'm gonna head to Domino's. I need some pizza for the shoot. Unfortunately, not to feed folks. I need it for scene decoration. So gonna go pick some things up from the grocery store and get some Domino's. Let's go. What's up, guys? All right, so here's what we're doing today. We are filming a sketch comedy video. Now, full disclosure, I got a lot of these supplies already. We were supposed to film this like 2 months ago, and there's a scheduling mishap, and then COVID struck AJ's household, and then I was out of town, then Sean was out of town, and so it just ended up being one of those things. You miss one shoot day, and all of a sudden, 2 months later, and you're still trying to figure it out. So, moral of the story, I already have most of the supplies, so really all I needed to get today was some pizza. That's what AJ's taking me to go snag. All right, we're gonna go get pizza, then we're gonna go back. Me and AJ are gonna do some set design. Yeah, let's go grab some pizza and start designing the set. First rule of making any sort of fun comedy film: gotta have beers on hand. Actors don't want to act sober. That's just a Corey Wagner fact right there. Also switch into the Sony, the smaller camera with worse audio, so if it sounds like crap, sorry, I gotta save the battery for the good guy. Currently we're slamming some of this pizza so that we can make it look like a dirty, gross bachelor pad in here, so we had to kind of disperse this a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna do a little set design. This is gonna be clutch for the for making a dirty, gross, like bachelor pad. I've been saving, and don't ask why. Don't worry about why. I've been saving every roach for the year 2022, so I'm gonna strewn these about, and that should make for a real good dirty pad. They gon' stink. Quick work of that. Just basically shooting about some solo cups, half-eaten pizza, weed paraphernalia, just whatever we could find. We kind of threw in the 3 spots that we're really gonna have people at: this table, this counter, and then this area where AJ's at. We threw some stuff over there. Devin's gonna be over here. Maybe we put a couple more things over in this area maybe. But that's basically it. And then now I just want to get some establishing shots of these as part of the intro that we're gonna do. So that's what we're gonna do. Knocked out the establishing shots. Didn't show you guys any footage of that because it's super boring stuff. Just waiting on Sean. He should be here any second. He just buzzed in, and then get started making comedy genius.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, here he is. What's up, buddy?
Oh, what's up? Hey. Hey, what's up, man?
This is the scene where he actually has to smoke a bunch of weed and destroy his vocal cords by coughing a bunch.
Still call it a job. I call it a dream.
Night one done. Woo! We gotta do more shoots soon.
I love a 2-day shoot.
So next week, hopefully no one will get COVID between then.
Suck on my potato popsicle.
This all makes sense one day. Day 2, filming the cough sketch comedy thing.
Nice.
Wow. Way to come prepared on that one. Yeah. Whoa. Well done there. Well, wordsmith. We're Bill Shakespeare over here.
Off to a
Fuck. Man.
Billy Shakes.
Yeah.
off to a great start.
Good God.
Now pick a word distress.
Ooh, that's fun.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
I'll influence whomever I want.
I'm sorry. That's just ridiculous.
Fuck, I forgot what I was supposed to say. We're on the last page. The sketch is going swimmingly. Yeah, Sean just tried to touch my dick. Oh, jeez.
Where's my bottom hand?
This is.
Wait, I'm gonna touch his.
This is. It's a Weinstein film or something.
Didn't you say you were he was your favorite producer?
Oh, come on now.
That was perfect. I love the. You can keep the. And then you know, like
The ground
under
with
is
such
when he goes back to
force.
it. Kind of great. It's like how Seinfeld, no one actually cares about each other in that show.
Yeah,
Even though they're
exactly.
friends.
Yeah.
All right, this is my favorite part about making these. During the process, the whole thing. Sean's never seen a camera before. This thing always changes. It's always like real collaborative, like ideas come out. We decided to change the whole end scene where now my brother sings opera. We're gonna make this like really dramatic, or at least we're gonna get a shot of it. I don't know if we'll use it or not, but we're gonna try this thing where Devin sings opera. We have some slow-mo shots of the weed getting lit, and we make the whole finale kind of be this like super dramatic, tense thing, which is not how I was originally gonna shoot it at all. And it's really dumb and goofy, but we'll see. Maybe we'll use it, maybe we won't. But that's what we're going for. Switching things up. You always come up with the best stuff in the process. That's the most fun. I'm actually really excited for this.
No, this is gonna be.
I think this is gonna be sick.
It's rolling.
It's gonna be really loud, guys. So I would like cover your ears. No.
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna be loud as fuck.
Il cuore. It moved.
It moved.
I don't know if it's because I'm in such a small, compact room with you guys, or it's just singing, but it moved.
wasn't recording.
Was it really not?
No, it was.
That was awesome.
Let's hear this.
Sure is.
I'm obsessed with Polaroids now, so I'm making everybody do a Polaroid shot with me.
You were down for sure.
Cheers.
Just us.
Just us. I got a dog.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Alright, sick. Good
All right,
stuff.
dudes.
Great shoot, guys.
I'll just
Yeah, thank you for doing that. You didn't take mine, did you?
Oh.
Sweet, a road beer.
I took this one.
Road soda.
Sick.
That was a good picture.
Does this help? Thanks for the experience.
Yes, dude.
See you tomorrow.
Awesome.
Thanks for the help.
AJ,
You guys best. Yeah, see you tomorrow for some food reviews.
you did a really fucking good job. Very entertaining, very funny.
I think so, yeah.
All right, calling a night. Me and AJ are gonna smoke a little victory joint
Yeah.
out on the balcony. Maybe play a game of Blitz. Later, dudes.
See ya.
That was so
Right, why don't
fun. Check out this victory smoke we're having. I just got these today. We went to this place called Ascend in River North. Weed's legal in Chicago. Lucky people. Dude, Lowell smokes. Magnet, open this up. This is matchbook. You press the logo to pull this out. Kind of, there's like a magnet that keeps it down. Matchbook, there's matches in there. Then this thing, this is like their logo. And there they are. Look at the, I've already clearly smoked one.
Yeah, sorry. Not sorry.
I know it's kind of nerdy of me to be stoked about branding, but I am. And now me and AJ are gonna smoke these.
One gust game, one gust.
Me and AJ finished our little celebration joint. If any of you guys have stayed this long, mainly talking to the Octo Pride crew, I feel like no one else really stays to the end. Thank you. I love making these sketches. The whole collaboration with everybody is so much fun. That was such a good time. If you want to watch that sketch, me and Sean, and I feel like it's a whole team thing, I guess. Mahoney Boys is like a collective, so that's the name. We have another channel, it's called Mahoney Boys, where we have sketch comedy. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, we actually have some pretty funny ones on there. Pokemon Dad, I think, is actually really good, and Suicide Pact, I think those are both actually really funny videos. I don't know. I haven't edited this one yet, so you don't know what it's like until the edit's done. So it may suck, but hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it's really awesome and great. Either way, you should go check it out. Whatever, I'm dragging on. Let's get out of here. AJ, thank you for helping. Not only did he help with this, we did a whole shot list together. He basically directed the whole sketch. Unbelievable. We got a whole team we got going on here. All right, we're out of here. Peace.